children, yesterday in the previous class we have done 1.3 exercise and division chapter. Today we are going to enter in exercise 1.4. Before entering, see in exercise 1.4 you have, before that exercise 1.4 you have one topic, that is terms division. You have terms of division. Terms of division. What I'll write one division fact here. Division fact. What is the division fact is? Okay, take 14 divided by 2 equal to, what is this? 7. 14 divided to 7. Here 14 we call it as 14. That is the which we are dividing. The which we are dividing. The number which we are dividing we call as dividend. We call it as dividend. The number which is dividing we call as divisor. 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 Here we call it as, this we call it as, the result we call is the quotient. We call it as quotient. See here that the number is to be divided. The number which is divided we call it as a dividend. Some number you are dividing, we call it as dividend. The number which is dividing, we call it as divisor. The answer we call it as quotient. So you have to remember these terms. What are the terms? Dividend, divisor, and quotient. Okay, quotient. And another one is, then the given number cannot be divided equally and something is left over. It is called the remainder. Here I took example 14 divided by 2 equal to 7. How you will write in the long form? 14. This dividend will write in the middle and we will take this divisor in here. 14 divided 2. What is the answer? Quotient 7. Here we take this as a remainder. This is a remainder. Here is remainder 0. But for few example we get remainder as a number. If we get a number like 13 divided 2. Here 2, 13 means, is 13 divisible by 2? No. In 2 table we won't get 13. But we get nearby number, that is 12. 6 are 12, that we get one number. This we will discuss in the next section with regrouping. If you get something like this, we call it as a remainder and we say it as not exactly divisible. Not exactly divisible. Write down this. Write down these terms. The number which is divided, the number which is divided, the number which is dividing, First one, the answer. Always remember these terms. Dividend is a number which is divided. That is, you take some 6 carrots in the example 1.1. Not in the example, the 6.1 exercise. 6 carrots and 3 rabbits. Right? We have got that example. In 1.1, in this chapter only, 1.1, we got a question that is 6 carrots is distributed among 3 rabbits. That 6 carrots are, we are dividing. These 3 rabbits we are dividing into the 3 rabbits. These we are distributing and this we are dividing. So, remember, the dividend is the number which is divided. Divisor is the number which is dividing. Quotient tells the answer. Now enter into the exercise 2.4. Now enter into the exercise 1.4. Write the dividend divisor quotient for each division fact. First one they already wrote. I'll go into the second one. 12 divided 4 equal to 3. Here what is the dividend? What is the dividend here? 12. 12 is the dividend. Next, divisor. Right? Quotient. What is the divisor here? Which number is dividing? 4. And what is the answer? 3. You must remember these terms. Next one I will do. 24 divided 4. 24 divided 4 equal to 6. What is 24 here? Divided. What is the divisor? 4, the number which is dividing. What is 6 here? Quotient. Remaining you do by yourself for the homework. Remaining you do yourself by in the homework. 1.4 exercise. Next we go into the 1.5. We going at 1.5. Read out the question in 1.5. Find the missing terms using multiplication table. Find the missing terms using the multiplication table. First one they gave what is quotient. And they gave the example. First one they already did. 32 divided 8 equal to 4 they wrote. Next one 21 divided 7 equal to what they asked. What is the quotient here? They said in the question using multiplication tables. Using multiplication table. 21 divided 7. 21 divided 7. That is in 7 table. 7 what equal to 21? 7 into what equal to 21? 7 threes are. 7 threes are. That is, your answer is 3. Right? Next, we have 28 divided 4. 28 divided 4 equal to 4 into what equal to 28? 4 equal to, I write here. 4 into what equal to 28? Which number is multiplied with 4 you get 28. Which number is multiplied with 4 to get 28? Go through the table 4. Multiplication table 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. See here. 4 sevens are 28. Then what will be the answer here? Divided 4 once? Answer is. You already know what is the division? Opposite of multiplication. I already discussed in the previous exercises. Next, what is the question? I have done 2 problems. I will do another problem and you remain to do for the homework. 64 divided by 8 equal to. In 8 table where 64 goes? 8 into what equal to 64? Recall the 8 table, multiplication table of 8. Recall. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. We got the answer. 8 eights are 64. That is, here we will get 8. The answer will be 8. Got it? Here, what is the question we did? Next, what is the divisor they are asking? What is the divisor? Always remember, children, divisor into quotient will be the dividend. Divisor, if it is exactly divisible, if it is exactly divisible, divisor into quotient equal to dividend. If the number is exactly divisible by divisor, if the dividend is exactly divisible by divisor, then we go with this formula. If it is not, we are not going to, because we get remainder. Here we get remainder as 0. That's why we are not including remainder. So you remember this. See here, 7 into 4 is 28. Sorry. 7 into 4 is 28. 8 8 are 64. 3 7 are 21. Same like that. Now we will do. First one they already did, so I am not going to explain that. 24 divided something equal to 3. In 3 table where 24 goes? Recall the table of multiplication table of 3. We get 8, that is 3 8s are 24. That's why I said to learn the multiplication tables in the previous classes. In the past classes I said that multiplication tables are very important. See here. Now again you got 24 divided, what do you get? 8 equal to 3. Here the missing number is 8. Next, 49 divided something equal to 7. In 7 table, where does 49 goes? In 7 table, where does 49 goes? By 49 divided, that is 7 into equal to 49. In 7 table, where does 49 comes? 7 into 7. That is 7. Same you do the remaining problems. Same you will do the remaining problems. Dividend. Next I'll do the what is the dividend. This is the most easiest one in this. This is the most easiest one. See here. First one they already did. Just multiply this two. I already said in the here I wrote an equation. Divisor into quotient equal to dividend. Just multiply this two. 9 into 5. Sorry, it's 4. I'm sorry. The first example they already did. 30. They have given 30 divided 6 equal to 5. 6 into 5? 6 into 5. That is 6 5s are 30. Answer here. So same like that. 9 into 4. 9 into 4. Just multiply this two. 9 into 4. What will be the answer? 36. 36. The product is your dividend. The product is your dividend. Next. Dash divided 3 equal to 6. That is 6 into 3 equal to 18. 18. Okay. Same like that, do you complete all the problems in exercise 2.4 and 2.5? So what is the homework today? Before entering into this 1.5 exercise, in this 1.5 exercise, please go to the multiplication table. Multiplication tables. And next multiplication table and exercise 1.3 and 1.4 and 1.5 complete. This is your homework. This is your homework. First go through the multiplication tables in the multiplication chapter and do the exercise 1.4 and 1.5 in the division chapters. Okay children, thank you.